Hello, everyone, and welcome back to MacToLive. Today, we've got something exciting for you. We're going to show you how to install macOS Sonoma on unsupported Macs. So, stay tuned and keep watching. OpenCore released a new version with which you have full support for the latest macOS versions on older Macs. I showed you the system running on a 2013 iMac and a 2008 Mac Pro. macOS is running a bit slow on this 2013 MacBook Air. If you don't want to experience lag or overall slow system performance, I recommend sticking with Ventura as it's highly optimized for these Macs. In my experience, the system can still be used without issues on Sonoma for basic tasks. That's all for today, but the fun doesn't stop here. If you like what you saw in this video, I invite you to explore more content on my channel. There is a wide variety of videos on Mac-related topics, tips and tricks, product reviews, and much more. The best way to keep up with all the news is to subscribe and activate notifications, that way you won't miss any of our future exciting videos. In addition, if you have any suggestions for topics that you would like us to cover in future videos, do not hesitate to leave them in the comments. So go ahead, browse my channel and discover more content that will help you get the most out of your Mac experience. Thank you for being part of our community, and I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time on MacToLive.